I didn't want to spend over $100 on coffee tampers. So I jumped into Fusion 360 and created these two tampers under 2 minutes. I added some anti-slip ridges so my fingers won't slip down while I press the coffee. Fits like a glove. Hop into my channel to see the full video or subscribe for more. Pressing coffee is very important. You want to build the pressure up so the creamy caffeine oils come up. Outside a coffee shop, this is probably the best way to make a good coffee cup. Look at that beautiful creaminess. Let me know in the comments if you tried this method before and how you like it. Like this video and subscribe if you want to help me promote this channel. Thanks for watching!